Ever wanted to hack like a pro? Want to learn hacking skills while having fun? Scene 2. Dynamic montage of hacking scenarios. Meet TryHackMe. TryHackMe is your interactive platform to learn cybersecurity and hacking, no matter your skill level. Cut to fast-paced clips of different hacking rooms, challenges, and hands-on labs. With thousands of hacking labs, real-world scenarios, and gamified learning, you can level up your skills at your own pace. Scene 3. Highlight key features. Beginner-friendly. Real-world scenarios. Gamified learning. Start as a complete beginner. Dive into real-world hacking scenarios and challenge yourself through gamified experiences. Scene 4. Community focus. Text on screen. Join a global community. Connect with thousands of learners worldwide. Share your journey. Compete with friends and become part of the global hacking community. Scene 5. Call to action. Start hacking today. TryHackMe logo and website your voiceover. What are you waiting for? Start hacking today on TryHackMe. Ready to level up your skills?